Me and Connor, wait, what's your YouTube channel again? I completely forgot.
Huh?
What's your YouTube channel? I forgot again.
My YouTube channel, that one, BFDI.
Yeah, the one BFDI animator. We're going to a forest walk.
Yeah, guys, we're going to a forest walk.
Yeah.
Everyone, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm almost at...
And also mine.
700, yeah. Everyone, subscribe to Bryson. He's almost at 200.
Okay.
I'm thinking. Is he almost at 200?
Yes, yeah, I'm 200. I'm actually done 125, I think.
I mean, like 690. I just need 10 more.
We gotta post this on both accounts, and we gotta say, like, whoever this is, like, you have to, add, like, put my username on the channel so it shows I'm actually there as well.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll probably, send it to me on Discord, and then I'll post it on my too.
You might, yeah. I'll send it to you. I have to go with my dad and do that stuff. Okay, let's keep walking. There's a bunch of people graduating from college. We graduated from elementary school, finally. I'm pretty depressed now. That means we're gonna have to do jobs soon. We're gonna have to get jobs soon.
Yeah, probably.
Cars. I'm gonna be the most likely, because I'm gonna be probably the one. Wait, how old are you again? 12? When did you turn 12?
Huh?
Are you 12? Is that what you said? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. We used to last year. Yeah. I hope we're in the same class next year in middle school. And wait, what's with your class anyways? It's so crazy.
Yeah, my class is crazy. I don't even know why, but I cannot wait to go back. I can't wait to go to middle school. I'm probably going to Reveal or Central.
I still see the smoke. That's a Canadian
my
fire.
parents are still disgusting.
You still see the smoke out?
Huh?
The smoke from the fires in Canada?
Smoke from the fire!
And Canada. Dang, Canada's burning down. Hey, what's coming up in the next series?
Huh?
What's coming up in the next episodes?
Well, I'm thinking there's gonna be a new host, new characters. There's gonna be lots of stuff.
Okay, just who's be the host?
Huh?
Say the first letter of their name.
Probably. I think she is gonna still be the host.
Well, isn't there a secondary host? Wasn't that Pixel?
Huh?
Isn't Pixel secondary?
Pixel is the co-host because we had C Junior.
Coco?
Co-host.
Coco.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you. Okay, what happened to the money?
The money?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. D doesn't have. D lost the money.
What, he got bankrupt or something?
I'm guessing.
Financial stuff?
Yeah.
Hey, at least Pixel can print money.
He can print money?
I hope.
Money is not made out of trees.
I know. He can turn them into trees.
Oh.
He can make tree seeds.
Tree seeds?
Tree.
Is there any such
Money
thing as tree seeds?
Yeah. It's seeds for trees. Tree seeds.
Like
seeds.
apples.
Yeah.
Apples?
Apple tree is what we're coming up with.
Hey, yo.
Remember,
Okay.
are we coming up with that? What are just some of the new powers, abilities?
Whose powers?
The abilities. Aren't we adding abilities like the
On C?
the leaves, the seeds.
Oh, you mean apple leaves?
Apple leaves and apple seeds. You shoot when you eat them, you shoot apples out of your hands.
Yeah.
And then when you eat you combine the seeds and the apple leaves to make apple gems. And
Yours.
Yeah, you can make apple gems, you can make fire gems, you can make pineapple gems, you can make a bunch of gems. Apple gems will be the primary ones because you can turn it into anything. Anyways, okay, we gotta go ahead first. We gotta show. Okay, run up a little bit.
Viewers, fun fact: Pixel is stronger than C.
Yes.
We don't really show it in the show, but just.
Okay, let's stop running now. Okay.
Sorry.
Look at all the smoke.
Isn't it because of the Canada?
Yeah, Canada fires.
Yeah.
Look at it. That's the George Memorial Park.
George Pig.
Where are we?
We're over there, right?
Woodlands, right here.
Wetlands. Hey, yo. Kind of sus, actually.
There you go.
Suspicious.
Yeah. Dude, I got every single PlayStation.
Hey, guys. Do I have permission to pet that dog?
If he bites, he might. Be careful.
didn't know how to do that.
So tiny.
All right, Bryson, let's go.
No,
Wait,
no,
don't scare him. Don't scare him.
Just move.
Oh,
He bites. Be careful. Yeah.
uh-oh.
Yeah, you might not want to get too close up to the dog's face.
All right, don't we have to go that way?
Yeah, I got a cat. Wait, I need a sword.
All
Give
right.
me give me the ultimate sword. This sword.
Demon Slayer sword.
Let's say this is the ultimate sword with every power. It can send lightning strikes at you by going like this. You go. You can control water with it.
Put me in camera.
Whoa, you can put.
Ha!
Dead.
I'm dead.
Why do you have a leaf?
Oh, boy.
Okay, do the voice of C.
I don't really know how to do the voice of
Run.
C anymore, but
Run.
hi guys, I'm C, and today we're gonna go to the forest to meet skinwalkers and make friends with them.
And make tacos.
Yeah, make tacos rain.
And kill furries.
Yeah, kill furries because
They're
furries
great.
suck, and we want them to touch grass.
Don't touch grass, you're homophobic. Wait, no, go cut grass, use zoophile. Use zoophile.
What?
It's basically. We gotta slow down. Basically.
Huh? You go right there?
No, we gotta slow down.
Sorry.
We're not that bad.
Sorry.
That's
Sonny, you have to put the video on.
Gray hair for nothing.
Huh?
Right
I
here.
have gray hair for nothing.
Turn
I'm
your-
slow. No.
Sorry.
Not as fast as you guys, but I want to see in here and see if we can see anything.
Let's see.
Sometimes you can see the ducks in here. But it looks like it's pretty overgrown.
Yeah. Run across the bridge. Get to the front of the bridge.
Wow.
You can't really run because your parents are probably
This is my grandparents.
yeah, your grandparents are slow.
Look, there's a pizza!
It's a swamp. Wait,
It's a floating
Oh
pizza!
my god! It's a floating pizza in a swamp.
Floating pizza in this one.
And ducks, pet ducks, are all around the world. If you're watching this, eat that pizza.
Yeah, me too. I heard a frog. Where is it?
I'm posting this to Game Joe. Pizza from Animation Hobby Show.
Quiet a minute.
Hey, both frogs.
I heard a bullfrog.
What the heck is a bobo?
It's a big frog. It's like
They go like this. They go. I heard one.
yeah, me too.
It's like
Unless that was either the dock or the bridge. That,
Suckers off their pizza in the swamp.
Drop your phone.
I was trying to get scared of
Guys, don't drop your phone. Be careful.
we gotta get ahead.
I
We gotta
just
get
heard
ahead.
it again. You guys heard it?
Yeah, I heard it. I wonder if I can play that, but I took a picture of the pizza.
But Bryson, where are all the plants gone in the garden?
There's a garden there?
Yeah. I don't know. Probably the lost Teletubby set.
Oh yeah, that thing's underwater.
You can hear the sound from here. Listen. Hear it?
I heard it.
It sounds like a
It was like,
spring.
I was by
like,
a
woo.
pond once where there was like millions of them. And I thought,
really? Do they look like green goblins?
You know what Green Goblin is even?
on the TV when I'm looking at
Oh,
it.
yeah. Oh, and Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, you in the game with a Spider-Man.
Fell on that.
Ah,
Let me see that a minute. That.
on the burglar.
Oh, it just bends. See?
Oh, it's less. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Cool.
It's messed up.
It's not like it'll go through you. Raw.
I'm gonna cut the trees, cut the branches. Right now, I'm an Australian going to wild outback, the Australian outback.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Bill Nye.
I'll tell you why. You know what ticks are?
They're bugs.
Yes. Well, you're gonna get ticks in that.
Yeah, they have ticks.
You can really get a ringworm too.
Right ahead. We get to the bridge. Get to the bridge. Get to the bridge.
To the bridge we go. Not too fast.
Okay, I gotta enable running mode. I'll be back. Running mode enabled. Basically, it makes it easier. I'm gonna turn this up so I can see better. Oh, wait, it is. I'm a cameraman right now.
Hello.
Cameraman. Now that's where somebody died. Who died in the pond?
A frog?
No. One of your characters has to die. Who dies in the pond?
LG.
LG dies in a pond.
Goodbye,
Right?
LG. You won't be missed.
Copyright? No, I don't think copyright would do that crap.
Exactly. That'll be just too far.
All you have to do is just make a custom symbol on her. Is it custom or is it actually just...
That's why I made OW.
Oh, yeah.
Because my dad, there wasn't.
I got
really-
copyrighted. I get copyrighted a lot for like
Yeah, I get copyrighted so many
for
times.
music. It's weird. So it's like this song. It's the like the Five Nights at Freddy's ones. It's like, do you know the meme of?
I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared.
Look at it. Is that capybara? No, it's
Huh?
not capybara. We live. Oh, look at all the smoke.
Capybara.
You can feel the smoke. Capybara. Feel the smoke.
What smoke? Hey. I don't like this. I don't like this.
When am I doing that?
Capybara. 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 Guys, stop. You're tickling.
Bryson, remember? Oh.
Look, guys, we are pirates. We are pirates, guys. Cut the bushes and cut the weeds and cut the trees. And cut the bees.
Hey, cut the tree. You know, some people just walk up with scissors and go like this. Oh, there's a wasp. Snap. You know, the people, the beekeepers, can just grab scissors and cut a wasp in half like it's nothing. They go like this, like, oh, hey there, wasp, and dies.
They'll find a hole with dance in a mole.
Landon, climb it.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Hold the second sword. Hold the sword. All right, get up here somehow.
I'm gonna get up there. You please hold that sword for me.
But yeah.
We always climb my grandma's tree. Yeah, we have two grandmas. Two grandmas. Well, everyone has two grandmas. Probably not everyone.
Okay.
They can have 3 grandmas, 4 grandmas. So many,
There's my grandma.
so many sides.
I'm sending it. She was sending it to my phone.
All right, come on, let's go. Bryson, come on.
Well, I know what time I'm trying to get. I'm getting done.
You want to go explore the skinwalkers? Connor, there's no
Yeah, Skinwalker Ranch.
Yes, there is.
Yeah, there is.
Skinwalker Ranch.
Oh, I'll get that one. Yeah, this one's kind of better.
Skinwalker Ranch is terrifying. Have you ever heard of it?
Huh?
Skinwalker Ranch?
Have a race.
No.
Oh, yeah, I do know Skinwalker Ranch.
Here's a race the fastest up to that hill.
There's someone go.
That hill?
Who's here?
Right there. We got a pizza already.
Oh my God.
Rabbit.
What?
Rabbit, be careful.
Wild rabbits. Hey, you should not pet. Bryson.
I didn't pet it. What's this? Landon, Connor, over here, Connor. Already ran out of that. The abandoned. Oh, Connor, the abandoned Teletubby set.
Teletubbies.
They say.
Teletubbies that little?
No.
They probably put. You know that guy that said.
Pizza? He eats pizza? Yeah, no. I'm trying to see what's better.
Goose poop. I mean, I did have a sword. Goose TCs with my sword.
I saw you.
Please do a hole with that cinnamon.
close to the action, though. We thought we were going to
Watch it, Connor.
Huh?
That was cracked.
Watch it.
Who's afraid of heights?
You're a little bit too confident, buddy.
Connor is.
Kind of me.
That's me.
I'm afraid of height a little bit.
Yes, I am.
Gross back. Well,
Traffic jam. That's like,
gross back. Yeah, we ain't going any farther, so let's get
Yeah, that was.
I want to go by this.
okay.
Let's go back in.
Now we're turning around.
Well, that was
Wait, there's a field over there. Who wants to go play in the field?
the field. All right.
Zarian, hey, Landon, there's a field over here.
The field?
See, there's, like, right there. See the field?
Yeah, I see the field.
Play around. It doesn't say it's private property at all.
Okay, fine.
Down, everybody stand in line, and we'll say, on your mark.
What are we racing to?
Just race to those, to that tree edge.
No, see that box. Why don't we race to that box over there? I'm going to record it.
Well, you're going to run.
Okay, record me running.
Is it already set
Yeah.
to record? What do I have to do?
Watch, just point it to me.
Do I have to hit it?
No, it's already recording. Point it to me.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look at Bryce's up there, come on! Because those kids, their damn shoes are half untied. Okay, come on back! Go! See that one kid, Zarian, he knows he can beat him one. He don't even prove it. But Bryson's right there! Come on, Bryson! Zarian's got it! Both times, right? There you go. Here. There too.
Here's my water bottle.
Can you stop it?
Yeah. I've tried it before.
Very hard to find.
Four of them. I found four of them.
Yeah, they're really hard to find. But that's what I used to do.
Have you ever done this?
Oh,
Oh my god.
I just really over giving up.
Yes?
They give you
Yeah.
I don't drink enough water. Do you?
Huh?
Drink enough water?
Drink enough water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to drink enough water.
I don't drink that much. I only drink like 1 pound, 1 gallon. At least 2 cups a day. Whoa. Yeah. They buy so much smoke. Look what's, yeah. There's so much smoke.
The reason Landon thinks that 4-leaf clovers give you bad luck was because one time we were participating in a sack race and he had a 4-leaf clover with him and instead of winning he rolled his ankle on halfway to the finish and then he fell. Well, Bryson, what the heck is happening in Canada? Dang.
On fire.
They're fire? Why?
Mm-hmm.
Probably some kid was cooking. Probably.
Does that say ASS? Does that say AS?
No, that says AE. That says AE. After Effects. What?
Look at that right here.
What?
A plus K.
A plus
Here, I'm trying.
T plus K.
Is that a live stream?
I'm trying to write D's nuts.
Bro, are you serious?
Wait. The Sword of Magic.
Keyboard cat.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, keyboard cat.
The Sword of Lightning.
Yeah.
It's a machete.
Machete!
Michael Myers, or you're a Australian person going to the Outbacks.
Who's Michael Myers again?
Do you know what the Outbacks is?
Michael Myers is
Go.
that scary movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, I know him.
Jason?
I know that guy.
Wasn't
The guy with the white mask and the hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know who Michael Myers is now. Myers!
Is that Jason? Where are you going, Sarah? Oh.
There's something over there. Hey, look at there's something over there. It's a little tunnel.
Over there, Spider-Man.
I don't want to dive after you.
I got it.
Why would you do that? It's a bit of water for fun.
Hey, what's that
This
over
would
there?
be a cool picture. Goofy.
I'll take it. That was an epic photo I just took. I took the epic photo. And I'm gonna put this on the epic clip. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I put it on epic. I'm gonna put it in
Flip a clip.
not flip it. Clip something over there. Hey, what's that? What's that tunnel thing?
Oh,
Right here.
there's like a trail. That goes the trail to the rainbows.
So
The end of the rainbow. The
Must-
end of the
Yeah,
rainbow.
I'll put it in CapCut. I'll put it in CapCut and doing it because I don't have.
Cap cut?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where I compiled the finale.
If you don't want that water, you can throw it in.
No, give me that water bottle. Okay. I have Connor.
What's on my leg? Ah.
I got
You
it.
don't need it there.
Okay.
Here, give it to me. Give it to me. Just give it to me. Bryson, go.
I want to do this. I want to do it. I want to do this.
Oh, that was great.
Oh, I tried freaking flicking it.
Huh.
It is? Yeah. Whoa, it's like staying there. It's like going downstream.
You don't see that, Cap?
It's going pretty slowly. You see, it's like there's that little white dot there. See it? Over there, Flynn.
Oh my god, I see it.
What do you
It's floating.
Is it? Yeah, see, it's like a circle. What did you get, a bug bite?
Time to finish you off, evil land. No, don't do it.
Except the water's flowing this way.
Wait.
Where's the sword? Can I machete? And his final powers.
It's all going this way, though.
Oh, you can't really see it on camera. All right, hold on.
Pretty in there.
You want it? Oh my god! He did that on purpose. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Time to finish you off, evil Landon. No, don't do it. Hop. One more splash. Hop.
Oh, look at all the water.
Dramatic.
Dramatic effect.
You can see it? No, Carson, be careful. We should do that with thing. Yeah. And then we'll be able to see it with water. Yeah, right. Is there a garbage can here? I know where the garbage can is.
Landon, I'm gonna stab you now. What's down there?
Because you're so garbage. Why would you do that? Oh, Bryson. I'm a bird.
It's going this way. I can tell because the force would push it this way. Like this. What's that weird purple dot thing? It's on my camera. It's like right here at the top of my fingertip. I'm pointing at it. So you should see it now. It's purple. What is that? I'm trying to point it right there. It's right there. There. The tip of it's over it. I wonder what that is.
Bryson, do you even like Pokemon?
I have a Pokemon game.
Huh?
I have Pokemon.
Is it Pokemon Go?
No, I have it on my Nintendo Switch. It's my grandma's right
Come
now.
on, Bryson. You have to download Pokemon Go on your iPhone. Because it's the OG.
It's dead.
What? Here's what they look like.
What?
That's on a person's arm.
Ooh!
You can't see with the camera. Stab.
Right over there, Sam.
You can stand.
Going to middle school.
Say, look, here's the
Next
test.
year.
This is what you don't want.
Did they call it take American dog?
They go on dogs too, yeah. But they go on people. They go on those grass.
Yeah, that's not good. Look at all the fires.
Where?
The sun sets. Yeah.
The fire must be.
Which way does the sun set? Remember, it's rising.
The fire must be like really spreading around the whole wide
What is
world.
it called?
We're not even close to Canada.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, like, yeah, it's
border.
way downtown, yeah, but.
But dude, the U.S. shares the longest border. The longest border is the border between Canada and the USA. Do you know a lot about the geography?
No, I don't.
I know like every single country, except the some African countries.
Where's the rest of you?
I don't even know geography because I only know one country in Africa, and it's probably not even a country.
Where is it?
Nigeria?
Yeah, it's a country.
Nigeria?
Yeah, that's a country.
Nigeria, yeah.
Yeah, it was not named after that because it sounds kind of weird. The way it's spelled is weird. Yeah,
Well,
but it's not.
M,
And yeah, like it's
Nigeria.
spelled like the N word kind of.
No, it isn't. It's Niga.
And
E.
well,
Nigia.
There's a lot of them. There's
RIA.
Madagascar. There's tons of stuff.
I mostly know Madagascar.
Madagascar penguins.
Madagascar.
It's the islands. It's just an island off of it.
Yeah, I know.
Cape Town.
Based off a movie too.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
I like to move it.
I like to move it, dude.
I always wonder what do they like to move?
Their butts, I think. The song.
We're almost back to the playground. All viewers, we're almost back to the playground. Do you know how to combine?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do after this. I'm gonna send it to you on yeah, and we have to also do it the same thing. You have to put the same thing. I'll show you the name of it. I'll give you a title for it, and you have to put, I think, at like your username on it. So that's what I'll do.
We're probably gonna put
I have to do so it'll be so it's like say just say okay, just say for now. Please like and subscribe, or you are a dumb furry.
yeah, like and subscribe, or you're a furry, a dumb furry. Yeah.
Deserves to choke on grass because I don't touch it. See, to prove I'm not furry, grass.
Grass.
Rub your skin on it. It makes you
And
anti.
if you don't like and subscribe, you need to touch the grass.
Yeah. And if you like and subscribe, if you don't like and subscribe, you like eating dog.
You can go on the rocks. There's another picture.
Okay. Probably someone's property, but okay.
No, it's still part of here.
The epic battle of the rocks. Sloth.
Oh. Here's the picture.
I'm on the rocks. Oh, okay. That's cute. Yeah. So they're
Okay.
his grandma.
No, to me. Send it to me. Send it to me. Oh yeah, now.
Aren't you already Bryce's grandma?
I am.
Yeah, send it.
No, I'm
Yeah,
not
she said she
your
was gonna
grandma.
send it to us.
Send it. Yeah.
You send it to Bryson.
I'll send it. I send it to Landon. That's what I'm gonna do.
Right.
Cause he send it to me. I'm gonna send it to him because I have it on Discord.
I'll send
You
out
can send it to my Discord server, Bryce.
Oh wait, dude, I don't have Nitro anymore.
Wait, you don't have Nitro?
No, I don't have it anymore.
Me neither. I never had Nitro.
Oh, so you have to find a way to
Well,
send
I'll
it.
send you the pictures and then you figure out how to get it to them.
Do you have a phone number? What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone number. I run iCloud.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can talk like through that. We can talk through that.
So
Oh,
what?
wait.
So Bryce,
Let's
can't
go
talk
to the
to you
bathroom.
anymore? You have to tell me your phone number.
Yeah, wait, what's yours? Do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Do it up here, Bryson.
Okay.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
I'll do the phone. So we're gonna have to leave soon. And then I gave him my phone number for right now. Here's the sword. And then I get the bird.
All right, we about to leave. People, hurry! Oh.
People be like, birds aren't real. Birds are fake. They're
You
government.
think birds are real? Touch grass.
What? No, I said birds aren't real.
Birds aren't real.
Yeah, people think that. Why did you say? You just do everything I
They
say.
said birds are not real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's why people say touch grass. But birds are real.
Birds are real. Okay. Well, see ya in the next episode.